Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than XRP. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is really happening with the price and where we could be going as we do go further into the month of June. So if we're looking at the price of XRP right now, 50.1 cents, down about 5.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $26.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has literally doubled compared to yesterday, currently sitting at $2.2 billion. So, what is next? We're going to be analyzing the charts. I'm going to give you guys my personal opinion on this. So if you guys are not familiar by this news already, Binance is sued by the SEC. What a coincidence. We're covering XRP, which has a massive lawsuit going on with the SEC for the longest time, and now fast forward 2.5 years, we are seeing Binance, which is arguably the biggest crypto exchange in the markets, that is being sued by SEC. So you guys can see in the case that in a case that has certainly rocked the industry, the SEC has sued Binance as its CEO, CZ, for violating U.S. security law violation. Specifically, the law is centered around the usage of customer funds and the reported lies that the exchange told the regulators and the investors. Specifically, the SEC claimed that Binance misused billions of dollars in customer funds. Additionally, those funds were allegedly sent to a separate company that is owned by CZ. Moreover, these charges also include lies that the company told investors regarding its business. Wow. Huge bombshell that has been dropped, and this is impacting the crypto space. If you guys are not aware, as of now, we're seeing the price of Bitcoin going back below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and this time around we could potentially see BTC retest $25,000 Bitcoin, which I've been talking about on my channel for the longest time. And even if the price of Bitcoin were to go down to 25k mark, I'm still really bullish on the markets, because that still puts Bitcoin in an upwards trend. But what is next? That comes to question. What exactly is next? If we're looking at the price of XRP, I'm going to give you guys my personal analysis on here. But before we get into that, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look what has happened, and look where the price of XRP is literally trading at right now. You cannot make this up. And you guys can see, if you guys want to call this bad luck, whatever you want to call it, but XRP was on its way back above the 61.8 Fibonacci, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and especially starting to hit a new yearly high. It was literally on its way to do that. But of course, Bitcoin has come and ruined the party once again. I'm just joking, but this is part of the markets. This is why correlation is so important. This is why we look at Bitcoin charts on my channel on a daily basis, because Bitcoin is the king of the markets. The people that are just looking at cryptocurrencies like XRP, VeChain, Cardano just alone without looking at Bitcoin, I'm sorry to say, these people know nothing about technical analysis. So if we're really going and measuring from yesterday, we saw the price of XRP drop about 11%, but we have seen a quick reversal since then, and the price has bounced back up about 3.2%. But right now, as of recording this video, the price of XRP is sitting at some very crucial levels, and that is below that level of support. Over the next few hours, what I would love to see the price of XRP do is actually remain above this level of resistance. And we're starting to see that. We did see all the way for the price to drop down to 48.7 cents, but we've seen a real quick bounce back above this level of resistance, and that is showing the strength of this level of resistance. And not only that, the momentum XRP has on its side. What a coincidence. Is this and really not what you guys are thinking also right now? Let me know in the comment section. Of course, number one, it's no secret at this point, these regulators don't really want cryptocurrencies to succeed because, of course, the risk factor they bring to the fiat currency. But at the end of the day, you can't really stop the crypto space. You can go cracking down certain exchanges, but at the end of the day, really stopping Bitcoin, it's just not possible. I'm sorry to say, I'm not just going to come here instead and say Bitcoin can be controlled. Absolutely not. It's just a fact. You can argue with me all day long. Bitcoin cannot be controlled, and I'm sure thousands of people also, sorry, not thousands, millions of people also agree on that. But you know what the craziest part is, does this really tell us that maybe SEC lawsuit with XRP has come to an end? Because now they are saying, what, now that that's done, let's go look at someone else. So could that be the case? You never know. You literally never know. But you could also look at it from the other point of view. Not everyone is going to point this out to you guys. When you look at it from this angle, again, I'm just a regular, ordinary dude just making cryptocurrency content because I love it. I absolutely enjoy it. This is just my own personal opinion that I'm sharing with you guys. At the end of the day, only people that are the insiders really do know the truth. But you guys can see, this lawsuit has just been announced, but last week we've been hearing so much news revolving around XRP. Judge Torres really favoring XRP, Ripple over SEC. So could this be a indication that we have seen this lawsuit come to a settlement of behind closed doors, and now SEC is looking for the next opportunity where they can really stop this crypto space? Who knows? But at the same time, we can make that same statement, which is the opposite thing, that maybe they are so certain that XRP is a security, and they are in more favor of this lawsuit. So they're like, now it's time to really go ahead and hunt down the next big thing where they want to kind of investigate, which tends to be or happens to be Binance. So those are some questions that might be going around. That's what my personal thoughts are. But now the things are getting really, really important. It's going to be really important to see how Binance responds to this as we go further into the month of June. But what a coincidence. Of course, this month was supposed to be a very bullish month for the entire space. China news, it just doesn't make sense. I don't know if this is manipulation or if this is all planned out, but let me know down below what your thoughts are on this. But XRP right now is showing strength on its side, despite the fact that BTC has seen a massive drop within its price. But BTC dominance, on the other hand, still pulling towards the downside, which is favoring altcoins right now. Because if the BTC dominance was still quite high, I am expecting that we could have seen altcoins even go down harder. So it's very, very important to see how the next 24 hours play out. But we want XRP community members to really see the price hold above this level of resistance. If it's able to do that, I am really, really bullish, and I think there is something happening behind the scenes, and we could see a further push towards the upside. So next few hours, like I said, are going to be very important. But if you guys want me to make more coverage on XRP updates for you guys, let me know down below. And also, do not forget to subscribe and comment down below, and come join the Crypto ZX army. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.